The role of genetics in mental health explained. The intricate interplay between genetics and mental health has become a focal point in understanding the complexities of various mental disorders. While environmental factors undoubtedly contribute, the genetic underpinnings of mental health play a significant role in shaping an individual's susceptibility to certain conditions. Exploring the role of genetics in mental health provides insights into the hereditary aspects of disorders, potential risk factors, and the ongoing pursuit of personalized treatment approaches. Genetic factors in mental disorders, heritability. Many mental health disorders have a hereditary component, indicating a genetic predisposition. Conditions like schizophrenia, bipolar disorder, and major depressive disorder often exhibit a higher likelihood of occurrence in individuals with a family history of the disorder. Complex inheritance. Mental disorders rarely follow a straightforward pattern of inheritance. They often involve complex interactions between multiple genes, each contributing a small part to the overall risk. Genetic markers and risk factors. Identification of genetic markers. Advances in genetic research have led to the identification of specific genetic markers associated with certain mental health conditions. These markers offer insights into the underlying biological mechanisms. Polygenic risk scores. The concept of polygenic risk scores has emerged, assessing an individual's genetic susceptibility based on a combination of multiple genetic factors. This personalized approach helps estimate the overall genetic risk for developing a particular mental health disorder. Neurotransmitter function and genetics. Impact on neurotransmitter systems. Genetic variations can influence the function of neurotransmitter systems in the brain, such as serotonin, dopamine, and norepinephrine. Dysregulation of these systems is often implicated in mood disorders and schizophrenia. Pharmacogenetics. Understanding an individual's genetic makeup can guide treatment decisions. Pharmacogenetic testing helps identify how a person may respond to certain medications based on their genetic profile, leading to more tailored and effective treatment plans. Epigenetics and environmental interactions. Epigenetic modifications. Epigenetic factors, modifications to gene expression without altering the underlying DNA sequence, can be influenced by environmental factors. Stress, trauma, and lifestyle choices can contribute to epigenetic changes that impact mental health. Gene-environment interactions. The interplay between genetics and the environment is crucial. Certain genetic predispositions may only manifest in the presence of specific environmental triggers, highlighting the importance of a holistic understanding of mental health determinants. Mental health disorders with genetic components. Schizophrenia. Genetic factors contribute significantly to the risk of developing schizophrenia. Multiple genes are involved, and interactions with environmental factors influence the onset and severity of symptoms. Bipolar disorder. Bipolar disorder has a strong genetic component, with heritability estimates indicating a substantial influence of genetic factors in the development of the condition. Major depressive disorder. While environmental factors also play a role, genetic factors contribute to the vulnerability to major depressive disorder. The heritability of depression highlights the importance of genetic research in understanding its origins. Preventive measures and early intervention. Risk assessment and prevention. Genetic insights can aid in assessing an individual's risk for certain mental health disorders. Early identification of genetic risk factors allows for targeted preventive measures and interventions. Precision psychiatry. The field of precision psychiatry aims to leverage genetic information to tailor mental health treatments more precisely. This personalized approach holds the promise of optimizing therapeutic outcomes based on an individual's genetic makeup. Ethical considerations and genetic counseling. Genetic testing. Ethics. The use of genetic information in mental health raises ethical considerations. Protecting privacy, ensuring informed consent, and preventing genetic determinism are critical aspects of responsible genetic testing. Genetic counseling. Individuals with a family history of mental health disorders may benefit from genetic counseling. This process provides information, support, and guidance, helping individuals make informed decisions about genetic testing and its implications. Future directions in genetic research. Continued advancements. Ongoing advancements in genetic research, including the identification of novel genetic markers and a deeper understanding of gene-environment interactions hold promise for unraveling the complexities of mental health. Big data and collaborative research, collaborative efforts, utilizing big data and international collaborations enable researchers to analyze large data sets and identify subtle genetic influences that contribute to mental health disorders. Understanding the role of genetics in mental health is an evolving field that holds the potential to revolutionize how we approach diagnosis, treatment, and prevention. As research continues to uncover the genetic underpinnings of mental disorders, the integration of genetic information into mental health care may usher in a new era of more personalized and effective interventions.